Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to plot surface plots in Excel. To this end, here I have a 3D data which is saved in .dat file, and first I want to convert this data into Excel format or XLS file. So I open this with Notepad first. I come here and I open the file with Notepad, and this is a 3D data which is in the form of a square matrix, and I press Control A to select the whole data and then Control C on my keyboard to copy the data, and then I come here to open a blank Excel file. So the file is open, and I press Control plus V keys on my keyboard simultaneously to paste the data in this blank file. And now the data has been copied into the XLS file. I just press Control S to save this file to a given destination. 3D surface plot. Save this. So now I have saved the file, and to plot this in 3D format, I come to Insert tab, and on the Insert tab, I click here and I click this chart, and then I come here to more scatter plot, and I then come down, and I come to surface plot. So I choose surface plot, and in the surface plot, these options are available. This will be wireframe. If I choose this, I would have a wireframe 3D data. If I choose this, and if I choose this, I get a contour plot. I choose this one, I get a wire contour plot, but I want to choose this plot. And then I click OK. So I have the chart, the 3D surface plot is plotted. Now I want to do a little modification to the plot. If I come over here, on the chart elements, I can choose whether the axis should be label or not. So they all are tick. You can untick if you don't want to be, if you don't want any axis not to be labeled. And then here is, you can check this to add title of the axis. So I and here I can change the titles. For example, I press Control A to select this, and I call this y-axis. Then I choose this one axis. I Control A and call this x x and call this x-axis, and then I call this Control A and I call function of x and y. So I have labeled the axis as per my choice. I can change the name of the chart over here, and then I click on this to choose different styles. So there are the different available style. I can choose this one. If I select this, I have this, which shows the grid lines on the surface. If I come here, this is another choice. You can choose this one, or there are one more style with black background. You can select this one as well. That's your own option. Whichever you like, you can select that option. And then I go back to this one. So this one is a little more visible for visibility purposes. And here are the color options. You can choose the color. If I come to this band, I would have this type of color. If I come to this combination, I have this type of palettes. So you can choose any palettes of your own choice for the surfaces. And I can give a single color like this with different intensity, with decreasing or increasing intensities in the upward direction or downward direction. So you can choose anyone you want. And then if I come over here, I have the selected all, so you can change these names. You can edit series 1, series 2, or you can select them, you can edit them, whatever way you want to name them. But I don't go to that, so I just leave them as they are. And from here you can switch up the legends. For example, if I come over here, then grid line in here is legends. I can change the position of the legend from bottom to right. If I click this, it is now to right. If I check this, it will go to top. So you can change the position of the legend, or you can totally switch off the legend by unchecking the legend option. So this way you can plot surface plots from 3D data in Excel. At the end, if you haven't just subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.